welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be opening this Easter egg. So for me, Easter is in 2 days, so yeah, okay. So here is what it looks like. And look, who is that? That is Boogie, my little birdie. I don't know, he has like chewed like all over that thing, and this is new. So yeah, let's just do this. Let's just touch him. Little one. Oops. He's like dangerous like a lion. Okay, let's start to opening. Oh my god. Chocolate. Yummy, 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 yummy. Chocolate. Let's do that. What's big? Beautiful. A toy. Let's see what is inside. Okay. Oh, this is yellow, like my parrot. He's scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Okay. Oh my god, why isn't it opening? And by the way, and if you're wondering why I'm not filming, so like I have not been filming because school has been really hard. I'm 3rd grade and I'm 9 years old, and like everything in our life is like changing so much. Okay. Let me just. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Huh? What is this? Oh, it's. What do you call that? Like, you put it on the wall and then you throw a ball, you know? Okay. Now, look, 2 balls. Balls. Bing, bing. It's paper, guys. Oh my god. Look at the eyes. He loves you guys, all of you, like, he loves all of you. These are some papers. We're gonna throw that on the floor. No matter. Okay, so right now this is what the paper looks like. You see? And by the way, happy Easter! So let us see, what is this? What is this? Please tell me, what is that? Let's try and make that. How do you make this? Oops. Let me just pick that up. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm not gonna be making the toy because I don't know how to make these toys. So, oh my god, look.